Our videos explain the basic principles of tracking adjustment. They do not form a comprehensive guide. Adjustment should only be performed by a competent person with reference to the instructions of the correct maintenance and repair manual for the vehicle. Before you can check and adjust tracking, you need to know the required setting for the vehicle. Settings differ for each make and model. Settings for most vehicles can be downloaded from the Trackace website in PDF format. On this example you can see that the ideal setting is 10 minutes tow in, and there's a tolerance of plus or minus 6 minutes. Also included are unique images that show where checking results should be on the Trackace gauge laser target. The red dot is the ideal setting and the green zone shows the setting tolerance, so setting anywhere in the green zone is acceptable. This is an example and the settings shown are not correct for any real vehicle. After ensuring the front wheels are properly centred with the steering and close to equal threads remain visible on the track rods, use the Trackace gauge to perform a tow angle check. These wheels measure 31 minutes tow out. That's just over half of 1 degree tow out. Okay, we know these wheels are 31 minutes tow out, but our ideal setting is 10 minutes tow in, so we need to make tow in adjustments. We need to adjust the right wheel inwards and the left wheel inwards. To do this, we need to make equal adjustments, making the right hand rod assembly longer and the left hand rod assembly longer. We have to estimate the required adjustments and then make further small adjustments if required. We will start with 1 full turn of the track rod. So to do this, we'll slacken the right hand lock nut and then wind this rod 1 full turn out of the track rod end and tighten the lock nut. On the left side, we'll slacken the lock nut, wind the rod 1 full turn out of this track rod end and tighten the lock nut. Always make equal adjustments. Now check the tow angle again to see our progress. Another check shows that these wheels are now 5 minutes tow out. So we know we're still 5 minutes tow out, so we still need to make tow in adjustments. That means we'll still be bringing each wheel inwards and once again be making both track rods longer by equal amounts. We achieved over half the required adjustment first time round, so this time we'll turn each track rod just half a turn. So we repeat the same adjustments, but this time only half a turn on each rod. So it's half a turn on the right rod, tighten the lock nut, and on this side half a turn and tighten the lock nut. Now check the tow angle again and it should be closer to the required setting. On rechecking we can see that we now have 9 minutes tow in. If we observe the green zone, this is well inside the setting tolerance, so no further adjustment is required. If tow out adjustments are required, we'll simply make opposite adjustments than we did for tow in adjustments. We'll be making both rod assemblies shorter by equal amounts.